Good morning, friends. I'm Fahim here again from MFBC Media. Today I'm planning to introduce about ISNA and VLOOKUP. Both are we are using in equation in MS Office Excel. Okay, so it's a very simple equation because I'm introducing this equation because I want to show you how we can get amount here once we choose the item in this list. So before that, so we need to learn what is ISNA, what is VLOOKUP, what's the usage. ISNA means, see, you can see it here. ISNA means if there is any error in equation, it will appear 0 values. I don't want to show there n/a or something like that. So what we need to do for that, before the equation we are using ISNA. Okay, then second equation we will use for this one VLOOKUP. Okay, so combined both equation we will use with this amount getting from these items once we choose. So we'll see how we can do it. So before that, last lesson I teach you how we can make name range. So for this one we need to do one more name range because I need to see this is the data in my Excel sheet. So from here we need to choose item description plus amount if because we need to validate amount on that area. So we have to select first for item description and amount. Okay, then go to formulas, name manager, and click new, mention item whatever what's your better to write there, you can use it, but I'm here writing item list or price list. What you have easily to do the better, it's your choice. Then you can change the area because if we have in future some more data will come down, so we have to choose better some more cells. So I'm keeping here till 1000, then click OK, then close it. That's work we done. So here I am going to teach you one equation. This equation you should learn, but it's very easy. If you do it 1 or 2 times, you can use yourself. Okay, so I'm showing this equation, so just listen it. First we need to write before equation is equal to. So I'm opening here error equation first, ISNA. ISNA you can find out in the list, ISNA, sub bracket open. Then before ISNA first we need to do if, because if clause will be applicable for this equation. So if ISNA, then we have to write VLOOKUP also. Okay, so VLOOKUPs, once we open the equation you can see it, lookup value. Lookup value means key value. Key value is items descriptions, so this is the key value. Okay, okay. Table array means, because in our data there is 2 table array, it means this is table array which we done already here in name manager, item list. So just select item list on the here. You remember this item list we made on datas. Okay, then click comma, then we have to write which value we want to appear here, which value we want to in amount column. So see, this is column array first 1, this is 2, so this is a column number 2. So we have to write here, if example maybe here also some more data. So if here any data, if you validate this data, you should write 3 not 2, because this is first, second and third. So here we are writing second value. So just write only 2 second value, comma. There is two options. One is approximate match or exact match. Okay, so here we are, it means true, it should be we write there 1. If it's false, we should need to write 0, exact match. So I am here choosing 0 because I need to get exact match. Then close VLOOKUP. Okay, there is 2 bracket you need to close. We open if equation. If means there is yes or no, should be. So we only enter here logical. If means if there is any data, then if there is no data, we have to write no value, which means nothing. We don't want to mention any value there, so we can mention like double colon. Okay, 2 times just write double colon, then make again comma, same equation which we write before, just copy it. See, till VLOOKUP. From VLOOKUP till this area, just select Ctrl C. Then you can make it paste, Ctrl V. Then close one more bracket. Sorry, it's already there is. So it's fine. See, the value automatic came. If you choose any other items, if example soil investigation, see the value automatic changing. If you choose other items, drop in, drop off, it will be 30,000. It's automatic change because we already mentioned here item price. If NDRC it will be 10,000, it's soil investigation 20,000, and drop in, drop off, it will be 30,000. So here once we choose, it's automatic will appear. So there is no chance to get mistakes because system generating this